Hello Internet, this is my diesel setup, the new one. I have rethinked the whole thing, make it more safe and more reliable. This is Hcalory 1224 volt diesel heater with remote and Bluetooth, and I have Hcalory right now. It's only 12 volt and it's been failing me a few times, so I'm gonna use this razor from the floor. That will give me easier access to the exhaust, the intake and the fuel line. As you can see, I'm gonna use a rubber professional fuel line, 3/16 of an inch internal ID. The exhaust I'm gonna wrap with fiberglass aluminum, and maybe even use this Permatex ultra red silicone high temperature at the where it exhausts, so it won't smoke inside, because the previous one did melt my fuel line, which was the hard plastic one, not the green one that it comes with. Now this is a check valve, a one-way valve after the fuel pump, which has a filter. My thinking is that so air bubbles can't travel down the fuel line anymore, hopefully. And I'm gonna put one more check valve in front of the fuel pump and after the fuel pump, and I'm gonna put one more filter. So this is the fuel line. It's 3/16 of an inch internal diameter, and I'm gonna probably hang the fuel pump from a rubber. I'm not gonna attach it straight to the under chassis. It's under the vehicle, because the clicking transfers to the body. It does bother me. Thank you for watching.